Good morning from Smile Studio. Today we are going to be in conversation with Mrs. Neeru Malhotra. We are going to track her dental journey. So, नीरू जी आप मुझे बताएंगे कि आपका कब डेंटल प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुई थी?
I think 30 years back.
What happened 30 years back? How did it start?
It started after my first delivery, then it get worsened after my second. So there were lots of caries. So I went for root canals and then bridges.
Okay, so eventually I want to bring it to the notice for the young viewers that when you get pregnant and the pregnancy gingivitis is the first sign of trouble, you have to take care then. If you do not take care then usually slowly you will have a few caries, you will have few root canals, you will have few crowns, and the story goes on. Then what happened in these coming years that you had to think of a different treatment plan?
I had, I think, four bridges, two on the upper side and two on the lower side. So after I think 20 or 25 years, my teeth gave away. So bridges were of no use. So I went to the dentist and he gave me the option that I don't have my bone is compromised. So the conventional implants are not going to be very successful. So he said there is only option of one cantilever, but I said okay, I'll think about it, and I was not very comfortable about it. So because at that time I did not know about these basal implants, so I came to know about this from Dr. Ekta Chadha. So I found it very, amazing. Just in 2 or 3 days, I am going to have all my teeth. So it was quite. I went for it, and it was a beautiful experience. No pain, and just after 2 days, I had my whole 13 implants done. So I am quite happy and satisfied with this treatment, and I recommend to everybody to go for it. I think it is a
See, this is when it's so enriching because the patient is at loss of words to describe the feeling of having a beautiful smile. That's why we recommend each and every one of you to come to Smile Studio. Thank you very much.